What's up, guys? We got a GLE 53. We decided to put the dash cam here to get it away from visibility. I mean, normally we always put it here, but it has this little. If this thing didn't have this, and it would be perfectly straight like his old one, and then we might be able to button it up against this plastic. But you know, it's just gonna be too low. So he kind of wanted to sit in the driver's seat and not see it. So we decided to go here. This is the black view. This is actually my favorite camera because it doesn't have a screen or nothing like that. It's all concealed. It looks like it came with the car. And the way we ran the wires, of course, that's our signature. We don't have anything going to the cigarette lighter or nothing like that. And as far as the back goes, over here, this is the back camera. Okay. Again, you don't see any wires anywhere. So I'm pleased with the job. I think it came out really nice. This one is the Black View Elite 10 4K camera. Really nice. It comes with the app on the phone. That's what I have on my personal vehicles too. He went ahead and ordered a 256 SD car. Anybody in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Tamarack, Homestead, give us a call. We do come out. You don't have to bring the car anywhere. We come out and knock out the installation for you. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814. This one has the parking mode, which it will kind of like go in sleep mode for a little bit, and if it receives an impact, it will turn on and start recording again. Okay, our numbers is 305-298-4814 on this Mercedes-Benz. Thank you for watching this video.